Moving in South Carolina, 3 Movers makes it easy and affordable. In this video, we'll share how you can make your next move stress-free and budget-friendly with 3 Movers, your trusted partner for both local and long-distance relocations in South Carolina. Let's dive in. Sometimes life calls for a move outside South Carolina. Whether you're heading to a neighboring state or across the country, 3 Movers is your go-to for long-distance moves. Our team is trained to handle the logistics, ensuring your items arrive safely and on time. Here's how we make your long-distance move easier. Detailed planning. We start by creating a roadmap tailored to your move. From timelines to driving routes, we've got it covered. Quality transportation. Our trucks are well-maintained, and our skilled drivers make sure your belongings are transported securely. Transparent communication. Moving long distances can feel nerve-wracking, but we'll keep you updated and ensure you're never in the dark. No matter where you're moving, 3 Movers makes long-distance moves stress-free and affordable. If you're moving within South Carolina, whether it's from Charleston's Low Country to Columbia's Midlands, or between the charming coastal towns, we've got you covered. At 3 Movers, we specialize in cheap and reliable local moves. Here's how we help you move within the state. Moving in South Carolina doesn't have to be stressful or expensive. Let 3 Movers handle the heavy lifting. Looking for something specific? 3 Movers offers a wide range of specialized moving services to meet your unique needs. Whether it's your car, heavy machinery, or special items, 3 Movers has the experience and resources to move it all. No matter the size or distance of your move, 3 Movers is here to make your relocation affordable, safe, and stress-free. Get your free quote today and discover how easy your move can be.